In the previous year, this inspiring quote video has generated over 6.2 million views. And in today's video, I will attempt to launch a similar YouTube channel exclusively using AI. My goal is to automate the entire creative process, including script writing, visuals, and voiceover. I came across this concept while browsing YouTube for potential faceless channel ideas, and then I discovered this channel, which is a motivational quotes channel. You might wonder what's intriguing about it. After conducting my research, I was astonished by the statistics. This channel achieves impressive results by producing straightforward videos like this one. As you can observe, this channel generates somewhere between $1,300 to over $20,000 every month. Let's get started. I will begin by asking ChatGPT to generate 20 YouTube channel name ideas for my inspirational quotes channel. There are countless options, but I particularly like this one. I have already created a channel, so let's go to YouTube Studio and navigate to the Customization tab, then Basic Info. Now, I will rename my channel to Words of Wisdom. I will leave the description tab as it is. Now, I need to determine my channel's branding. For this, I will utilize Leonardo.ai, a completely free text-to-image generator. As you can see, I've already been experimenting with it. Let's proceed. I will request you to create an image of an elderly, wise Chinese gentleman with a white beard and hair holding an ancient scripture. The results are astonishing. I really admire this one, so I will click on it and download it. Now, let's return to Canva. I'll search for a YouTube banner. I'll keep it simple and just go to Elements and search for a black background. I'll choose this one and adjust the size accordingly. Now it's good to go. Let's return to ChatGPT and ask it to create 10 entertaining YouTube banner captions about subscribing to a channel that focuses on inspirational videos. Now we have numerous options. I like this one, so I will copy it. Now let's go back to Canva, click on Text, then Heading, and paste our text here. I'll adjust the size, and now it's ready to download. Let's return to YouTube Studio to upload the logo and banner, and now the branding is complete. Now let's move on to the first step, script generation. I will return to ChatGPT and request it to write 50 famous Asian proverbs and quotes in English only, without including the author's name. If I want more, I can simply type more, and it will generate additional quotes for me. The first task is complete. We have a script. On to the second step, voice generation. For this, I will use 11 Labs. Head to 11labs.com and create an account. Now, all we have to do is copy and paste our script here. In the settings, choose Adam or other voice that you like, then click on Generate. Our voiceover is ready. You can now download it. On to step 3, video editing. Let's head back to Canva. Look for YouTube video and select the blank canvas. Now we need a background for our video. I will use the same background as my banner. You can also use AI to create a background. Now we need to create a character. For this, I will use Leonardo.ai once again. If you recall, we already generated some characters before, so let's select one from those. The best part of Leonardo is that it can create images on a transparent background, eliminating the need for additional tools. Now, our character is ready. Let's return to Canva and upload our character. Let me resize it and adjust the position. It looks super cool. Let's download it. Click on Share, then go to Download. And here, choose PNG instead of MP4. We're not done yet. Next step, go to Google and search for d-id.com. Now, this AI tool will make our character speak. Go to Login, create an account, and you will arrive at the dashboard. Just click on Create Video and choose the option. I will select the image that we made on Canva, and now we can either add the script here or upload the voiceover. I will select the voiceover that we generated and upload the audio. Then just click on Generate Video. You have to wait a little bit until it finishes. As you can see, our character is now speaking. It looks so cool and unique. Now I can download the video. Step 4. Adding subtitles. For this, I will use V.io. Just sign up for free. Once you're on this page, click on Create Project, and then just close this tab. Click on Media, and select the video that we just downloaded. Now go to the subtitles and click on Create Auto Subtitles. I will select English as the language, and click on Create Subtitle. All subtitles have been generated. Just select the first subtitle. Let me adjust the size and place it here. Now head over to Styles, click on Left twice, and choose Plain. Let me change the color to white and also change the font to April Fatface. Now select this. This will capitalize our letters. Let me play and see how it looks. That is just amazing. I know you guys want to hear it, but wait until the end to watch the result. Now, just click on Done, then Export Video and select MP4. Step 5, Video Uploading and SEO. Let's go to YouTube Studio and upload our video. Now, we need the title, video description, and keywords for our video. I will use ChatGPT for this. Let's ask it to create 10 titles for a YouTube video about inspirational Chinese quotes and idioms. I really like this one. Now I will ask it to create a short YouTube video description to attract views. I will quickly copy and paste our title and description here. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create long and short keywords to attract views. Let's copy and paste this as well. Step 6, thumbnail design. Let's head back to Canva, click on Create, and type YouTube thumbnail. Choose the same black background and our character, and now click on Text, then Heading. Choose any quote, but don't copy the entire quote. Paste it here. We can choose the font Impact. Also, let me adjust the size. Now go to Element and type Brush. Choose this and change the color to red. Place it on top of the text. Click on Position, and then select Backward. Our thumbnail is ready. Let's download it. Now go to YouTube Studio, upload the thumbnail, then click on Next. Select this option. In the Visibility tab, choose Public, and then click on Publish. And that's it. Our video is now live. Now it's time to show you guys the final video.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials.
It looked pretty cool, not gonna lie. And that's it! You can now make YouTube videos using AI and monetize your channel. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I will see you guys soon.